Yeah, it's not super nice out, but it's nice enough. It's getting late in the day. There may be calling for like a little bit of light rain here shortly. This is the first time I've had a chance to come out and skate since it snowed. But yeah, we got dumped on Sunday and Monday. We got like 14 to 20 inches in some places in like 16, 18 hours, something like that. And then within the next, I think it was like 55 yesterday or something, so it's starting to melt already, so that's nice. Hopefully we won't have any more before spring. Calling for maybe like 60s like in the next week or something. So I don't want to jinx it, but hopefully that'll be the last one for the season. Yeah, it was bad. Lots of down trees, lots of people without power for a while. We had a few blinks, but we didn't lose it. But yeah, I'm gonna get to warming up. I don't expect much because I'm rusty. But yeah, we'll see. My back's feeling a little bit better, so maybe if I get loosened up, maybe I'll try some ollies or something, flip tricks. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's raining. That sucks. Hopefully it'll quit quick. Maybe it'll dry out before it gets dark. That's about it.